This wine color was so good, I had to order them in black. Now, one thing I can say about the loafers is that I'm normally like a size 9, 9.5. I went with a 9 in these loafers and I could have sized down to like an 8.5, but they didn't have an 8.5 in this black color. So I ordered them in a 9 as well. I do have to wear a kind of thick pair of socks with these. If I wanted to wear them with like some no-show socks, I really couldn't do that. I think they would be just a little bit too big. I love them, y'all. They are so good. As y'all saw, they are from GH Bass. I think the wine color is sold out, but they do have the black, and I'll link them down below.